So here we are for Advent Day 15, and today we're offering beautiful sheepskin rugs. 3 colours. They're reduced from £75 to £56. As you can see, the luscious duck egg blue, the glorious mushroom, and the very on-trend blush pink. All first quality rugs, beautiful long plush wool, reduced from £75 to £56. That means you get the added benefit of the free package and posting, the lifetime guarantee, and they just look and feel beautiful, and the dogs in your house as well as the family will enjoy having them to cuddle up on over Christmas. Enjoy.